Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So to do that, we should open the settings application, and after that scroll down to the special features. Here tap to the quick launch, and to activate it click only once on the switcher. Now we can see here the current menu of quick launch, and when we'll touch and hold our fingerprint sensor, and we should wait until these icons will appear, and without lifting our fingers we should just slide to one from this icon which application we wanna open. So let's just do this. So one, and now we can see that the quick launch successfully just activated. So let's open the booking app. So that's it. That's how to activate quick launch on our OPPO F21 device. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.